But finally, after deciding what corner of my room I want to film, I think this is the one. Hello? I finally wanted to film this video, and COVID-19 sort of forced me out of doing this, so here we are. I'm very proud of my room. Finally moved out on my own, so maybe I'll film a video of me and my experience moving out to Toronto from Scarborough. And here is my room tour. And that's it, guys. Thank you for joining. I'm kidding. Let's talk about this piece here. I got this at IKEA, and my initial thoughts of finding some sort of dresser or storage system in my bedroom, I really wanted to keep it open and minimal, so I saw this when I went there. I didn't think it looked like it was from IKEA, so that's a plus, but I really like the industrial look to it. It's very modern, not too rustic, but I thought that the wood and the black really fit in nicely with my apartment just because I have a lot of white and black. I'll also talk about all these little knickknacks I have to sort of spruce it up a little bit. I work at a high-end furniture store, so I stole one of the magazines there just for aesthetics, and I also have design books. These are some of my favorite designers, Mason Saarinen. And this little card that I have for decor. It's very cute. And I also have this here. This is from my best friend Zuleika. Shout out, shout out, shout out. She got this cute little marble elephant when she went to India. I don't know, I forgot how long ago she went, but cute, 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 cute. So that's on display there. This light here, so I don't know if you noticed, I have no freaking light fixture in my room, so that was sort of a turn off, and something I didn't even look at when I was looking at the space. So this is what I use to turn on the lights. It's actually really freaking bright, and I don't really need that much light just because I have so much from this freaking window here. So that's cute, and this is from my roommate. The concrete really fits in well with the concrete. The concrete is there. So that is cute. And this little sculpture here I got from my partner. He got this for me when he was in Egypt, so I thought that's super cool. And this is a little journal. Got this from a little shop in Chinatown. And then he also got me this map of Egypt when he went, so it's cute, 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 cute. Completes the look of this little display I have on my top shelf. And going on to the second shelf here, I just want to emphasize again that I love this openness here. It makes it quite eerie. I love to take pictures. This one here is my first Polaroid camera that my best friends Alyssa and Zuleika got me for my birthday years and years and years ago, and clearly have been put to good use because I have albums on albums on albums on albums on albums, and a lot of photos I still use, so it's fun to have. This here is a purchase I made on my own. I'm sure I got it from Amazon. Yeah, because I wanted to get a deal with this, and it came with packets of film. So yeah, this is really cool because you can connect it with your app and take photos and have all those cool effects, but I never really got around to use it, but here it is. Let's talk about my little cologne collection. Let's start off with this guy in the back. This is Tom Ford Velvet Orchid. I usually use that on a night out. I really love musky and sweet scents. Actually, let me just... Oh, yes. This All Saints fragrance I like to use sort of if I'm just going out during the day. It's really clean. Yes, it's like super light. I like to wear it throughout the day. I got this actually because the Le Labo Santal fragrance is way too expensive for me, so this is more like a Walmart version of that. So pro tip, leather shrinking scarf. This one I haven't used yet. It was a gift. Versace. And this little tray I got from StruckTube. 10 bucks. Okay, now moving on to the bottom here, I bought all these IKEA units here, and I just usually put a bunch of miscellaneous stuff that I have. So in this part, I keep all my like electronics and like Polaroid packets that I have and whatever. And this one here, I have a lot of I guess travel stuff. So I have a lot of travel tissues, travel bottles, and I have like clipper or whatever. It's not really exciting, but and I have other stuff in here. And this here, I keep all my confidential important documentation. It's also open in the back there, so it's really easy for the plugs. The plugs. So I just wanted to wait till later in the day so I can turn on the neon sign, but this one I actually got from Alyssa and Zuleika for my birthday. Shout out. This is In My Head, aka Ariana's best song off Thank You. So yeah. And this little grid I like to use for displaying all my Polaroid, not all of them, but like key ones that I like. I used to have my other smaller ones here, but since I got this new film, this is what's on here right now. Okay, so moving on to my bed. Well, I got this frame from Wayfair, and this bed frame I chose because again matches the hardwood floors and the black, very minimal, chic look again with this. I also got the mattress from Wayfair as well. This one came in rolled up, and it's a foam mattress, so it's super comfy. The linen, I guess, set with the duvet, I got from IKEA, and then the pillowcases I got from Wayfair Pillows. Hashtag not sponsored, but these are Casper pillows, so way worth the investment. My sleep has got way better, super comfy. I have one standard and one king. And then these bedside tables, I have Uno and Dos. These ones were actually free. My friend Wilma, shout out to her, she saw an Instagram post of someone moving out. I was actually gonna get IKEA bedside tables. It looked very similar to this, so that really saved me a lot of money. Okay, fun. And moving on to this part of my room, so let's talk about these. I got these from a store on Queen West called World of Posters. So I didn't really go in looking for posters, but these just caught my eye and loved the art on them. So thought it was really nice to put some sort of art in my room because right now it's freaking blank. But here's a pop of color. And I got the frames from Michaels. They came in a set of 3. 11 by 17 inch frames are a rarity, so these ones I really had to dig for because Amazon was so expensive, but these ones were quite a deal when I went to go look for them at Michaels. And over here, yes, these are my accessories, bags, and I have like minimal jewelry. I have these 2 rings that I wear often. Wear them on both my hands. This is a chain that sometimes I like to wear on my pants, which is pretty funky. Lip balm I usually put in here, but whatever. Necklaces and bracelets. Minimal statement pieces when I go out for the night, so it's cute to have some accessories. Here, I actually just start to use this more often just because I have nowhere to use this right now because it's Valentino bag. I usually wear this on a night out to make my outfit a little bit more chic and fancy, but this one I just use that on a day-to-day basis. And I found this pin here. I think it's like a Basquiat thing that was going on the AGO, but I decided to put that on there to make it a little bit more unique and cool. I totally forgot where I got this from. So moving on to these guys. So these are shoe storages from IKEA. Fit like perfectly in this little space I have. I used to just line up my shoes across the thing here and it was super messy looking, so this was a very happy purchase for me. Let's start with this drawer here. I organize with my shoes, like with white, sneakers, cream, and then I have a lot of dress shoes, or dress-y shoes that I have here, and then Vans. This one here, more shoes. This one here I use for more miscellaneous stuff. I'm a mess with cords and stuff, but I usually just use this one here to charge my headphones. These chargers don't even work anymore, so I probably should throw them out. Some sunglasses that I wear sometimes, and my camera bag and umbrella are also stored in here, but I like to have a little more storage just because I need it. Okay, and then here's my walk-in closet. Oops. Clearly I have a lot of beige. No, I have a lot of black clothes. Literally can survive off 3 t-shirts that are black, so minimal lifestyle. I just brought back some of my spring jackets that I brought home from Scarborough, moved my winter jackets down into the storage. Maybe they'll make an appearance sooner or later on my channel. But these are some of my favorites. Some crew necks that I have to keep warm. And down here I have my socks and undies. Super nice to have. It's just, you know, whatever. And I have some extra clothes here. If my friends decide to sleep over, I have some comfy clothes for them. Okay, and then on the other side, this is where I keep my pants. I'm not really a pants person, but literally I have 2 pairs of jeans. And mostly these 2 black pants I wear on a daily basis. Some fancy shirts and essentials. Maybe I'll do a video of like my closet and my clothes that I like to wear. And then down here is kind of a mess, but like I go grocery shopping way more often now, so I use more of my tote bags. I literally have a collection of them. I use them a lot to do groceries, or if I wanted to match my outfits, I would choose a specific one to complete my outfit. And that's pretty much it. This I can access, actually. Maybe that can be the last one. Isn't that a lovely view? Okay, thanks so much for watching literally this video that no one asked for, but if you are watching, to comment down below some suggestions that maybe more relatable content or similar content you would like to see. I am working on a couple more things, so content's coming. So like and subscribe and see ya.